I'm Taylor North, and welcome to 2965 Clubmoss Lane in Kingfisher Canyon. This enhanced Del Mar floor plan boasts 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and is 3,095 square feet of living space, and it has a 2-car garage. It also has a large front patio with a custom gas fire pit, a built-in barbecue, all with pavers, and it overlooks the beautiful oak-covered hillsides, which is all dedicated and preserved open space, which will never be built on. It has a custom wrought iron entry door with an operating glass panel. It has a large back patio with a custom fire pit, which does also flow into open space. It has a large back deck, which overlooks all the oak trees in open space, with a custom staircase leading to the lower backyard. This home overlooks open hillsides and beautiful oak trees. It has a laundry room, the master bedroom, powder bathroom, dining room, the kitchen, the living room, all on the main floor, so you would never need to use stairs. The home was designed with a custom wet bar. It has a large kitchen with dual wolf oven, a sub-zero refrigerator, The enhanced master bedroom is finished off with a beautiful crown molding around the whole living space, has large millguard windows which do take advantage of the stunning views. The master bathroom is finished off with custom granite countertops, a his and hers sink, and a nice makeup vanity. Has a large soaking tub which is pre-plumbed for a jacuzzi. The lower level of this beautiful home has a family room, 2 extra bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a living space, and a bonus room.